Kaya tapos and white. Kasi kalabas ako na.
You have my eyes, 'cause I see no other. My hands are tied, arms wrapped around you tight. And now I'm leaving on another flight. Say I love you one more time, as you dry my cheeks. Same place, same time in 6 weeks.
Kaya
And everything worth it is hard. I'm like, bring on the late night, torture me long drives, abandon me sunshine. I still got mine, and I know you feel the same way too. So come over, loneliness, and shout it outside. I know I can take it, 'cause it's easy to do for you. For you, for you, for you, for you. It keeps me going, the simple feeling when I can't come home. I know you'll leave the light on. I made a list of our to-dos tonight, a glass of wine by candlelight. No, I miss you worse, don't make me hang up first. I'm falling asleep to your voice. I'm like, bring on the late night.
tapakan. Ay, yay, yay, yay. Ay, patay. 9 hearts na lang. 8 hearts na lang tayo. Ay, sige. Guys, pwede ba tayo pwede na pero pa rin. Oops, wala. 7 hearts na lang tayo guys. Pero pwede na ito tayo yellow. Bago
And shout it outside.
Woo!
I know I can take it, 'cause it's easy to do for you. And torture me long drives, abandon me sunshine. I still got mine, and I know you feel the same way too. So come over, loneliness, and shout it outside.
Bye! Hala na
I know I can take it, 'cause it's easy to do for you.
Uy! Ilang kata lang tayo. Sana.
Baka na sipa eh.
Cause I see no other.
Okay lang ako.
Say the life's too short to be holding this tight. So I know say I love you. 'Cause you do love light and color. Not afraid of the dark. When the future's so bright.
Balik. Uy! Red. Is kumakanta sila. Kumakanta. Liko. Ba't dito na? Ba't dito ako nadaan?
Ha? Kaya mo na eh.
Wala.
Hindi mo sinabi ko eh.
Ano ko na
Kanina ka pa iniingay mo eh.
Saan naman? Ako din pumunta. Pero parang ano, ba't parang napunta dyan? Kapag pumunta ko dyan, dito napunta. Hindi ko ako. Gusto ko puntahin. Diyan. Ako talaga, pag unti-unti lang daan ko. Lang. Diba? Straight naman yun. Ako na ano. Straight. Nga, wait. Sabi ko, tapakin natin. Isang tsaka tayo. Wala na pa na tayo. Ngayon, sila tayo. Wala pa na natin. Maganda yun. Namalik. Ito. Simbahin natin yung parang bago. Ito yung bahay natin.